Hello, I'm Peter Delgado, your current IAPD president. I'd like to take a minute to tell you about our 2025 IAPD Convention and connecX coming up in Chicago, September 29th through October 2nd at the Marriott Marquis. The annual convention is the best opportunity every year for networking with your peers, your customers, and your suppliers. It's also the time we all get together to focus on the performance plastics industry, with meetings of the executive committee, the board, many of the committees, and some great educational sessions. Some of the highlights this year include our two keynote speakers, Sam Richter and Ian Heller. Both have received great reviews from previous IAPD appearances. On Wednesday morning, Sam Richter will speak about leveraging AI to boost your business. And on Thursday morning, Ian Heller from the Distribution Strategy Group will speak about channel partner relationships in our supply chain. We also have some excellent educational sessions planned. Conlass and Gordon Taylor from OGR will be there for a moderated discussion on what's going on in Washington, D.C., and the legislation that affects our performance plastics industry. The Environmental Committee is holding a panel discussion on sustainability insights and success stories. And Susan Avery will be hosting a demo session on the new IAPD GPT that will showcase this exciting new tool that's available only to IAPD members. We'll end the week on a high note with our closing party at the View rooftop right around the corner from the hotel. And if you have registered, I look forward to seeing you in Chicago. Thank you.